Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you unboxing and a quick overview of this new LG monitor. Okay, so this is the wide monitor. As you can see the box, so it is pretty big. Okay, and let me just put it like this. So this comes in this packaging. Okay, and I will just cut the, you can see the, let me just focus on it. You can see the packing. So this is how I received the box, but this is in the Amazon wrapper, so that's okay. So let me just cut it open. Okay, I will just remove it. Okay, so box is nice, but it has some dent on this thing. So this is how I received the box, and if you can see over here, I don't know if it's something, I don't know, while traveling they may got some, but I can see inside the box from here, and but other than that box is okay. Okay, so here as well I have two, I don't know, maybe due to the handling of the box. Okay, and these are the details as you can see over here. So don't worry about this, I will mention all the details in the comment, but just in case if you want to read it. So here's the box. IPS display, sRGB 99%, 1 millisecond motion blur reduction. Okay, and other things, LG, and this is the white box. Okay, and the model you can see over here, it's a 29-inch 73 centimeter, and the model number is 29UM69G. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, so this cutter, I will nicely cut it and open it. There we go. Okay, I guess I can just, yeah, there it is. So yeah, you can see the cover is like this, but apart from that we have the nice packing over here, so that's okay. Okay, so this is a big box. Okay, maybe I'm not able to show it to you correctly, and this is something we get from the handling guide within the box. Okay, and then this is the thermocol. I'll just put it aside, and then we have the display over here. Okay, so yeah, this is the display. As you can see, I will just for now I'll just put it on the thermocol and keep it aside, so that we'll see what else we got inside the box. So this is a heavy, actually not that much, but it's heavy, and I guess I open it the other way, and these are the accessories. This is another thermocol, and if you see here, we have some display quality assurance report, and then we have something like let me just show you the warranty card. Okay, I will mention the warranty details in the description, but I guess it's 2 to 3 years, I'm not sure. And yeah, that's just it. And the other things, like here you can see. Okay, I will post all the details in the video description. Then we got this stand. Let me just show this to you. So as you can see over here, this is a plastic material. Let me just remove it. You can see, and then this is the base, I believe, base of the stand. Okay, so as you can see, this is the base. Okay, and you have one screw over here which will fix like this. Okay, so I have to screw this up, and yeah, let me just take my screwdriver. But before that I will show you what else we got in the box. So we got this power cord. Okay, as you can see, let me just take it out from the wrapper. So here you can see the power cord. Okay, and we got some CD as well, I don't know, the drivers or something. Okay, and then we have some other things. Okay, so let's see what we got, what else we got. So I have shown you the power cable, and then I think we have HDMI and a display cable. So yeah, this is display cable, as you can see over here. Let me just focus on that. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Okay, so this is the display cable that we have, and then this is the HDMI cable, normal HDMI, and then we got this adapter. So if you can see the details over here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and then we have the screen. So first of all, I have to screw this. Okay, so I'll just fix this like that. It goes like this, and then I have to screw this thing. So let me check if I have a screwdriver or something. Okay, so this is a big thing. I'll just try to screw this up using this. Okay, it's working. That's good. Yeah, it's working. There we go. So now it's fixed, as you can see over here, and I believe we will get 2 more screws which we have to fix this in order to fix this stand on the monitor. So I'm just looking for those. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we also got something like this, so maybe this will contain screws. So I'll just put this aside. Okay, and let's see what we have here. So I received this 2 more thing in the box. Let's open this thing, and what's inside, I don't know what is this. Probably we have to put it like this, the stand. If we have a, I don't know where this go. I have to, maybe I have to check. Yeah, I will just keep it aside now. And I will just open this thing like this, and yeah, we have the screws over here. I'm wondering if I'm getting one or not. So we have this lid that will fix somewhere like this. Yeah, it fixes over here. It will be fixed over here, and then I believe we have screws. Yeah, 2 tiny screws inside this thing. I hope you can see. So these are the screws that I have to fix. So let me just put the box aside. Okay, and I'll just try to fix the stand. Okay, so here is our display. Okay, and then I have to maybe put it upside down. So I'll just try to maybe I will take a larger thermocol, and then I'll try to put it upside down. There we go. And this is something. Okay, I have to remove this thing as well, and I'll put it like this. So let me just show this thing to you. So as you can see, the stand that we have over here, it looks like it will be fixed like this. Okay, so I just, yeah, it is fixed like this. So let me just focus on that, and the screws goes there, and the screws go over there, and then I just have to fix them up. I probably have a screwdriver in here. This is Amazon Basics 11-in-1 knife that I have with me. Probably this will do the job for now. Yeah, it will. So I have to tighten those screws. Yeah, it's fixed now. I will fix another one. And I think I didn't show you the display, so yeah, both screws are fixed. I'll make sure they are fixed. Yeah, they are. Okay, now we got some more parts. I just have to check where they go. So we got these two parts, so probably it will be fixed like this, I'm hoping, or maybe I don't know. This looks like we can fix it over here somewhere. I have to check basically, yeah, but it looks like we have to, yeah, this is how it is. You can see now the screws are not showing, and I'm not sure about this one. I have to check, maybe for the wiring and stuff, I don't know. I have to check this thing where this piece goes. But apart from that, let me just show you the display ports of this. So you can see the HDMI in, the display port, and the Type-C cable. So this is a nice functionality really. And we have something written over here, if you can see. And then we have a headphone jack, we have power plug, and then we have some branding over here, LG branding. Let me just zoom into that. And this is how the monitor is. Okay, so I will just put this on the table, and then I will show you how it looks like. So let me just pause the video for a while. Okay, so guys, I have configured this setup, and you can see the screen is looking something like this. I have not installed the drivers yet. Maybe that's why we have this, you know, gaps over here. It's not taking the full resolution. It's just 1920 by 1080p currently, and you can see my laptop over here. One thing though, the HDMI cable is really not that big. So since I have another cable, that's not an issue for me. But both the power adapter and the HDMI cable is just okay. So you have to be within 1 or 2 meters. Okay. So this is how the screen looks like. The display looks like good to me. I will just pause this video. I will install the drivers from the internet, and then let's see if it gets full screen or not. So because I have tried the display settings and resolution, it's not coming up. So let me just install the drivers here, and then I will again shoot back. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so guys, you can see I have installed the drivers over here. So to be precise, I will show you the drivers compressed. As you can see, I have installed these two zip files. Okay, so OSC is on screen control. So this is the software, and you can now see how big this screen is. Okay, how wide it is. Okay, so you can see like this, and you can have a custom modes in here. So you can just split screens like this or like this, okay, or anything like that. And then if I can show you monitor settings, then we have this settings over here which says landscape and portrait. Okay, if I go to my application preset, then we have some other settings over here as well. Response time, as you can see, adaptive sync, G-Sync compatible on off. You can set the black stabilizer as well. I'm not sure about these settings, but I have to try them out eventually. And yeah, that's just it about this monitor, and display looks good to me. Okay, so I would rate it like from 1 to 5. I would like to rate this display as 3 because I mean it's okay and decent deal in the budget range, but since we have great displays outside, so I cannot just commit before I really play some games in this and use this thing. But for business purpose or for gaming purpose are test, but for coding and something like that, I think it is okay. It will be okay. It's wide enough so I can arrange all the programs like this thing. So you can see I can use or stream some YouTube tutorial over here in the second part, and I can still continue with that in the first part. So this is nice for productivity, and that's just it about this monitor. And I will eventually try this out and probably make another gaming video on this thing. So stay tuned for that. Have a great day. Bye bye.